Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, it is snowing outside very heavy. Better is to stay inside your homes. One more important thing is that your last year, academic year, turned victim of COVID-19 pandemic. Schools remained shut, and you are badly hit by academic loss. Dear students, if you are in a position to attend coaching centers, you must go there for the physical mode of teaching because this digital platform can't be the substitute for the actual mode of teaching. A huge chunk of students or all students need physically a teacher in front of them to learn things well. They're students, but self study and hard work can change your future, can do better things in your life. They are students of class 10th, 11th, and 12th. Today we are dealing with the change of narration for past simple tense. Dear students, narration means to talk. It is noun form. Its verb form is narrate. And narrate means to say, and when we talk in two different ways. Either we talk directly or indirectly. When we talk directly, so we are having the direct narration. So direct narration is of two types, that is the direct narration and indirect narration. Dear students, direct narration, when we are changing into indirect narration, there are the rules for it. And first rule you have already learned. Dear students, direct narration has two parts. One is the reporting verb, another is the reporting speech. And the reporting verb is separated from reporting speech by a comma. But the reporting verb contains a verb as well as the reporting speech contains a verb. And actual words in direct speech are put in inverted commas because these are the actual words of the speaker. Dear students, now what is the past simple tense? A tense in which you find the second form of the verb is past simple. So simply, you have to keep in the mind that a tense in which you find the second form of the verb is past simple. In past simple, we narrate past events. Dear students, take an example. I played cricket. It is the past simple because here it plays the second verb of the second form of the verb. I went to school is the past simple. I kicked a ball is past simple. Now, if the reporting verb is in the past simple and the reporting speech is in the present simple, how you can change it? For example, Ram said to me, I go to school. Ram said to me is a reporting verb, and the verb in it is in the past tense, past simple. And I go to school is a reporting speech where the verb is in the present simple. So it will change into past simple. So it will change like this. Ram said to me that he went to school. Ram told me he went to school. So simple it is. Take one more example. Khurshid said to me, Khurshid said to me, I started a machine work. I started a machine work. Khurshid said to me is past simple. Started a machine work is also past simple. Now, reporting verb is in the past simple and the reporting speech is also in the past simple. And when we change it from direct to indirect speech, the reporting speech will get changed into past perfect. Ram, Khurshid said to me or Khurshid told me he had started a machine verb. Had and the third form of the verb with the third form of the verb is past perfect. I'm repeating the things for you. Direct narration is of two types, that is the indirect narration and direct narration. Direct narration, so narration is of two types, that is a direct narration and indirect narration. And direct narration has also two parts. One is a reporting verb and is a reporting speech. If reporting verb is the past tense and a reporting speech is the present tense, present simple, it will accordingly change into past simple. And if the reporting verb is in the past simple and also the reporting speech is in the present past simple, it will change into the past perfect. Take one more example. Ram said to me, I play cricket. Ram said to me is a past simple. I play cricket is a present simple. When we change it into the indirect speech, it will get changed like this. Ram told me or said to me he played cricket. He played cricket because present simple will get changed into past simple. If it's like this, Ram said to me he played cricket. He played cricket. That means Ram told me he had played cricket. When there is when both reporting speech and reporting verb is in the past simple, the verb in the reporting speech will get changed into past perfect when we change it from direct to indirect. Dear students, this is all about the past simple tense when we change direct narration into indirect narration in case of this tense, in case of past simple. Dear students, now it is Urdu. चेंज ऑफ नरेशन, नरेशन बयान करने को कहते हैं. जब नरेशन होती है नाउन फॉर्म है, ये बयान है और नरेट से आया है. नरेट का मतलब है बयान करना. बयान करते हैं हम दो तरीकों में से. एक डायरेक्ट होता है और इनडायरेक्ट होता है. जब स्पीकर खुद ही इस्तेमाल होता है तो ये डायरेक्ट नरेशन होती है. इसकी एक मिसाल है, आई ही सेड टू मी आई गो टू स्कूल. तो हियर द स्पीकर, यहाँ पे स्पीकर खुद इस्तेमाल होता है और ये डायरेक्ट नरेशन है. और इसके दो हिस्से होते हैं, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. लेकिन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच से अलग होता है. किसके ज़रिए? गामा के ज़रिए. लेकिन आज हम बात करते हैं कि पास्ट सैंपल में कैसे होता है ये चेंज. राम सेड टू मी आई गो टू स्कूल. आपको रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में पहले वर्ब देखना है ये किस में. राम सेड टू मी, सेड दूसरी फॉर्म है वर्ब की, लिहाजा ये पास्ट सिंपल है. आई गो टू स्कूल ये रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का वर्ब है, ये किस में है? ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल में. और ये पास्ट सिंपल में चेंज हो जाएगा जब हम इसको डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे. राम सेड टू मी ही वेंट स्कूल, क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल में ये पास्ट सिंपल में हो जाए. अगर दोनों अगर पास्ट सिंपल में हो गए, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब भी रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच भी, तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो सो सिंपल. राम सेड टू मी ही आई प्लेड क्रिकेट. राम सेड टू मी पास्ट सिंपल है, आई प्लेड क्रिकेट पास्ट सिंपल है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब भी है पास्ट सिंपल में, रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में. तो रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच का जो वर्ब है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में चला जाएगा. राम टोल्ड मी, इसका मतलब है राम टोल्ड मी, सैड टू गेट इन चेंज बिकॉज इट इज सिंपल मैसेज. ये सिंपल मैसेज है. राम टोल्ड मी he had played cricket. Dear students, this all about the past simple tense and it is changed in narration. When we change direct narration into indirect narration or direct speech into indirect speech in case of past simple. Dear students, after watching this video, if you have any sort of confusion or any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, or you are even free to mail me at the 3 kgm 3886 at the rate of gmail.com. And when you post your query by any means within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Better is to see these things on your available English grammar books so that you can learn the concept well. I am not English teacher at all. In absence of the English teacher where I am posted, I am shouldering the task to teach you English. Better is to also consult an English expert to learn the things well. My prayers are with you. You must put extra hard work to crack every barrier in front of you. Thanks. Be well, asset.